This is the elevation given by the architect. Architect is from SCP. Architect Abhijit has given this. So he is from Calcutta, set up an office in Hyderabad. So he is doing a lot of projects. We are working together. So architect will have an idea. They'll dream big, which is going to be a nightmare for us. So we have to have a sleepless nights to get the ideas, their ideas becoming a dream and a reality. This is the total footprint of this project is 86 meters by 120 meters. The column free space is 68 meters by 120 meters. Before that, there is going to be a pre-function area which is going to be 12 meters by 120 meters. The services, we have kept it on the back side. That is going to be 6 meters by 120 meters. The height of the Grand Convention Hall, it looks like this only, but the bigger in size, much bigger in size, that is going to be 68 meters by 120, which can be seated with 8,500 people inside. The present hall number 1, 2, 3, each one can accommodate only 2,500. Now, this hall can accommodate 8,500. Just imagine, this is going to be like a UN General Convention Hall. So that kind of a hall we are going to see in near future. And this hall can be converted into 4 halls basically. So this is going to be 27 meters spans. We are going to have a main lattices. That lattice is this. What you are seeing is this lattice. And after 27 meters, we are going to have you can speak this.
This one is a triangular lattice. For the length of this one is 30 meters only.
So each 27 meters, and at a regular intervals of 5.6 meters, those triangular lattices we have kept it. And this is going to support like this foldable partitions. That foldable partitions are going to be, one side it will be driven, and those foldable partitions length it is going to be 98 meters, and one side it is going to go and it is going to be stored in one room. That one room is going to be like 120 tons, which is going to be a tension load in that room, because each per meter length, that partition wall is going to be 1.2 ton per meter. Just imagine how much load we are going to hang it onto the lattice.
Stack area.
So that is a very, very challenging job, what we could able to achieve only with the lattice, and this lattice depth is 4 meters. Can you imagine? That lattice, 1, 2, 3, 4 locations we have taken. So this is a in the front there is a 12 meters by 120 meters. The upper floors are going to be halls which are a smaller size, but it is going to be a part of the convention also. That is the second floor. This is general elevation. You can see from the north side. There is the elevations further. The column layout. The columns, I have to talk about the columns now. So columns, we have taken 4 number of columns here. People might think, why 4 numbers? So this is a a 68 meter span, and also there is an extension of a cantilever on this side and that side, so that we could able to balance this. The initial thought process was to give a columns on the top. We just wanted to have a tensile members to support this lattice. But what happened, the architect doesn't want that, because he is more interested in a plain structure which houses complete 68 meters by 120 meters. For that reason, what we had to do, there are 4 number of columns we have taken. This is 450 by 750 by 16 thick box.
Box section.
Yeah, box section.
Box section.
And here also 450 by 750 16 thick, and from here we have taken a tapering up to 1200.
1200.
And these are all filled with concrete, so that we are able to achieve, let us say this is bending like this, then this will be under tension, this will be under compression. So we could able to achieve only because of the 4 columns filled with the box sections filled with the concrete, we are able to achieve this kind of a span and achieving this kind of a size of the hall. And this is a triangular lattice what we have done, 27 meters, and each are placed at almost 5.6 meters.
5.7 meters.
Yeah. So these are the sizes of
Top card is 114.
114.
Circular hollow section.
Circular
and
hollow
inclines
section.
is 88.9
Yeah.
into 4 mm thickness only.
And this lattice is, top chord is again a UB.
General sections all are.
UB 457. 2 sections are added like this, and all the flanges are welded on the top and bottom, and top and bottom cards are like that, and in between we have taken all Tata members. Thank you for Tata. Okay, Tata members, all Tata members we have taken, and these members are again taken a one more member in between to break the buckling. I mean, control the buckling, we have taken one more member. And also there is a member across this also, so that in the both the directions we could able to control the buckling, so that these members we could able to design in a much lesser in size. So thereby we could able to save some steel.
And also walking platform also there in above the 2 meters level, this one.
Yeah, there is going to be walking platform above this also. So
Roof maintenance purpose.
for the roof maintenance purpose also, there is a water going to come like this. It is going to be filled in this. That water will be evacuated from this. There is going to be a channel for the water draining. And these members are also, depending upon the movement and the shear force, we have reduced gradually. Those members are
UB section. This one also UB section. This one is the Tata 250, 250,
Tata 250, 256, and gradually we have reduced.
1/4 of the span, sir. That is
Yeah, gradually we have reduced, and we have taken 180 by 180.
180. Yes, correct.
So that is the kind of a lattice you can see, and there is an extension from this. If you look at the cantilever extended, so that we could, it is a top mounted again, so that
That
we could
cantilever length of the cantilever is also 9 meters, sir, total.
9 meters
9.
beyond the structure.
Beyond the structure.
So in the front, what we have taken is 600 dia columns are also, but it is merely taking any load like. So this is other direction. So what the architect want, a different kind of elevation. He doesn't want a simple elevation. He wanted the cross section and a reversal to that. That's the reason we had to again think differently for this, making up the elevation part itself. is a partition on the other direction also. That is a 120 meters. That means lengthwise also they are asking for the partition, and the widthwise also they are asking for the partition. So lengthwise, to support that lengthwise, we had to do another kind of a truss, which is a flat. The bottom one, if you see, that is the one you are able to see. There also 120 meters partition has been hung from the rooftop. That is 12.8 meters from the ground. So there is a backside area also, services area also. There is a mezzanine floors which houses all the required AC and other utilities. We have kept it on the backside. So there is an elevation features also. That is what they call it as a bull nose. They wanted an elevation which gives the elevation kind of a bull nose structure. We deliberated a lot, and finally we could be able to conclude all the drawings now. So that's a bull nose what they wanted, the architect. This is basically the roof plan. You can clearly see
4 halls.
Yeah.
This one is the 4 halls totally.
we can make into 4 halls, 3 halls,
Or
1 single hall also, 2 halls, or 1 single hall also, by pushing all the partitions on 2 sides. You can see that this area, it houses all the partitions on this side, and this area it is going to house all the partitions, and one side all the partitions will be taken from this end to this end, and other direction all these partitions are driven, and all the partitions are going to be hiding in this once the bigger hall is there. That's again roof plan. This is the STAAD model. So the designers will be excited to know about the STAAD model, how we have generated. But it was a very complicated model basically. But our designers, our team, they could able to achieve this. And Mr. Balasubramaniam is a key person in developing all this model. So present scenario is like this. This is a 4 meters lattice. Now anybody can see the present they have assembled. I mean they have not erected it. This total 68 meters span. That is the present condition now. So I want to take this opportunity to call all my SHBL team onto the dais if organizers permits me. Okay. Please come. Mr. Prasad is a director in Vizag office. He is a head in Vizag. So Mr. Balasubramaniam, he takes care of all the steel structures designs, and all these engineers, they are the backbone of my ideas. One. Prasad. Balu. Thank you. It will be on display at my stall. So you can come and if you want to know more about the structure, you people can visit our stall. With this, I am going to display over there. Can you please run that video?